Morning guys, Spencer here. Look behind me. It's not nighttime, it's morning time. Right now I got 6:11. It's Monday, it's MLK Day, it's a day off, right? But for me, it's not a day off because I'm always doing unto the Lord. Now here's the thing I want to tell you guys is, just like how it's important to have a budget, right? Rhetorical question, should we have a budget? Yes. But here's another thing. When it comes to our time, we should also be budgeting our time. We should also be tithing our time, taking the first fruits of our day and putting it towards the Lord. Even if you're not religious, you should still be putting time aside to be a better you every single day. Now, here's the thing. Unless you know what to do with that time, you're gonna have a hard time changing. A lot of people think, you know what, I will just stop doing this and I'll start doing this and, I'll be better. But here's the thing. For you to actually be better with your time, you need to change up what's up here. You need to change your beliefs. Now, we need to do both. Change the environment, change our actions, and change our beliefs. But I'll tell you this, the moment you change your beliefs, you will start changing your habits. This is what I recommend. Pray, be in the Word, be around people who make you better, who are better than you in terms of where you want to go in life. And also, another thing I will tell you is start writing down affirmations. It's okay to tell yourself a future lie about who you're going to become. Because if that's not who you are today, I give you permission to write down affirmations about who you are. Like for me, I'm a phenomenal person putting into the world phenomenal impact. If you have more questions, hit me up.